Hi, welcome to the future of sustainable agriculture, where innovation meets impact. Today, we invite you to explore Trisolace's revolutionary wooden shed innovation with us. Our wooden sheds are more than just structures. They symbolize ecological responsibility and longevity. What truly sets us apart is our mist spraying system, a game changer in the snail farming industry. It's not just about water, it's about providing an ideal environment for our snails to thrive and providing the right quantity of water at the right time. Trisolace goes beyond just the provision of the sheds. We offer a complete snail structure together with a system fully automated. Picture this: soil treatment services, a water storage tank on a stand, sprinklers fully automated for precision, live breeder snails, and a whole array of monitoring devices. Each component is carefully curated to ensure optimum conditions for snail farming. Our commitment to excellence is reflected in the details, from not just the provision of calcium for the shell production, but we also provide PPEs like gloves, like nose masks, like overalls or coveralls and protective gears so that you don't transmit any disease to the snails or vice versa. But that's not all. We've added innovations like a magnetic self-locking insect-proof net, which closes by itself immediately you enter, preventing insects from entering or insects from intruding onto the snails. And an additional bamboo roof, which is solely for temperature regulation and for longevity of the project, preventing excessive sunlight from going on the snail greenhouse. Before we lay a single foundation, we conduct a thorough feasibility study. We analyze the conditions, assess the requirements, and provide a detailed report to our clients, because success starts with careful planning. I introduce to you Agricgate.farm, which is an online e-learning platform which is going to train our clients in everything snail farming on how to take care of their snails. Trisolace isn't just about innovation, but it's also about impact. We have built about 213 sheds, creating about 269 direct jobs, but that's not all. We've directly employed 22 individuals at the Dansoman facility, which is Trisolace's main headquarters, making a difference one job at a time. Trisolace, where sustainability meets success and innovation meets impact. Join us in our agricultural revolution, helping provide employment, food security, and additional income. Trisolace, cultivating a future where every shed that we build tells a story of prosperity, sustainability, and impact.